Quick and quirky recipe, 60-second mug cake delight. Welcome to this simple culinary journey. Today, we're making a 60-second mug cake. You'll need a microwave-safe mug. First, add 4 tablespoons of flour. Make sure it's all-purpose. Next, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Regular white works best. Now, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This gives a rich chocolatey taste. Stir these dry ingredients well. Next, pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whisk it till you get a smooth batter. Pop it in the microwave. Cook for 60 seconds. Careful, the mug might be hot. Voila! Your 60-second mug cake delight is ready. Enjoy!